The Prophet, peace be upon him, sacrificed 2 horned rams, which were white with black markings and had been castrated. When he made them face the Qibla, he said, I have turned my face towards him who created the heavens and the earth. Following Abraham's religion, the true in faith, and I am not one of the polytheists. My prayer and my service of sacrifice, my life and my death are all for Allah, the Lord of the universe, who has no partner. That is what I was commanded to do, and I am one of the Muslims. O Allah, it comes from Thee and is given to Thee from Muhammad and his people. In the name of Allah, and Allah is most great. He then made sacrifice. Al-Hadith, Sunan Abu Dawud, book number 15, Hadith number 2789.